Mini fire alarm test 49. So here it goes. I haven't been doing this in ages. So it'll be a sweep. Yep. And I'm unscrewing that. There's no one else in the video, but it's just this. Let's check this one out. You've seen the one that me smashing the glass on this one, but this one's I'm not going to smash anymore. I may get some new glasses, spare ones. Gently. It's not it's unbroken, hasn't been used, so I'll just put that one in, and then get the cover, stick it on, and screw it back up. Yep, and I'll just reconnect that up. And then put the key in. Yep, works.